Hey guys, Jazzmine Leigh here. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick brow tutorial. Now I don't get my eyebrows done, and so this is just what you see is normally what you get unless I just feel like doing my brows. Lately I have been making more of an effort to do them on a daily, so I have gotten better at this. When I was younger, I used to just swipe mascara wands through my brows thinking that I was doing something, and it was trash, and my mother was very quick to let me know. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or anything, just feel free to leave me a comment below. Alright guys, so this is the aftermath of my brows. I didn't really do a voiceover because I felt like it was unnecessary. Everything I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory. If you want me to do another video where I'm actually talking through my steps, I'll definitely do that. Just leave me a comment and we'll work that out moving forward. In the meantime, subscribe, like, and share this video if it was helpful. And thank you again for watching. Bye guys.